Welcome to Rose Night Chinese class. Lesson 11. Don't forget to turn off the air conditioner.
第11课，别忘了把空调关了。
In the last video, you already learned the new words. Now you'll learn several language points and do some exercises in this video. Now, let's start with the first part. Part 1. Language points. The ba sentence is a very commonly used sentence pattern in Chinese, indicating dealing with a certain person or a certain transaction. The structure is A plus
把
plus B plus verb. A is the agent of the action. B is the recipient of the action. Both A and B should be specific or known to the speaker and the listener. The ba sentence is mostly used in the context of a request or order to the others. For example, 1. If you want your friend to turn off the lights, you can say,
请你把灯关了。
Please turn off the light. 2.
我把筷子洗了。
I washed the chopsticks. It means that my disposal of the chopsticks is washing them. 3.
他把词典还了。
He returned the dictionary. It means that his disposal of the dictionary is returning it. The negative adverb or a modal verb should be placed before
把
For example, 1.
我没把书还了。
I didn't return the book. 2.
他没把空调关了。
She didn't turn off the air conditioner. 3.
我不能把笔记本借你。
I cannot lend you the notebook. Let's do 2 exercises to strengthen the language point of ba sentence. Please follow the instructions in the brackets and complete the sentence with the ba sentence. For example, 1. The sentence in the parentheses is
请你关门。
Please close the door. And you have to express the meaning of the content by
把
sentence. So the key is
请你把门关了。
the other 2 are yours to finish. After 10 seconds, the answer will appear on the screen. The second one is the expression of approximate numbers 2.
左右左右
Is used after a numeral to express an approximate number. For example, 1.
坐地铁去学校要30分钟左右。
It takes about 30 minutes to go to school by subway. 2.
会议10点左右结束。
The meeting ended around 10 o'clock. 3.
一瓶啤酒5块钱左右。
A bottle of beer costs about 5 yuan. Now, let's do some exercises to consolidate the knowledge from this lesson. Part 2. Practice. The first practice is a listening exercise. You will hear some sentences. Please judge whether the statement is true or false according to what you have heard. You have 5 seconds to choose the answer.
您好，您是来参加会议的吗？会议是10点半开始，12点结束。您可以10点左右再来。
Okay, the time is up. Please check to see if your answer is correct or wrong. The text and the key are on the bottom of the screen. The second practice is a reading exercise. Please match the 2 parts of the same dialogue. You have 15 seconds to finish this exercise. Okay, the time is up. Please check to see if your answers are correct or wrong. The key is on the upper right of the screen. The third practice is a writing exercise. Please rearrange the words or phrases to make complete sentences. You have 15 seconds to finish this exercise. Okay, the time is up. Please check if your answers are correct or wrong. The key is on the bottom of the screen. This video is here. If you encounter difficulties in learning Chinese, please send us a private message, leave a message, or communicate with us through the contact information on the screen. And do not forget to like and favorite and share. See you next time!